New day, new specimen here. We have Herb Roberts, otherwise referred to as Geranium Robertianum in the scientific community, but we will call it Stinky Bob. Geranium is a family of plants we have previously divulged into. Its Latin name meaning red herb, more native to the UK than actual human beings. Found in woodlands, grasslands, gardens, or seemingly growing out of walls. So not to confuse this plant with potentially fatal plants, please note that it only will grow approximately 30 centimeters in height. Specimens exposed to sunlight will tan the filthy hairy stems a disgusting red to maroon shade. As for the leaves, which also tan in the sunlight or drought, have quite a unique arrangement. Precious little pink flowers with white streaks and 5 petals. Basically, the whole plant is covered in pubic hairs. Once pollinated, the flowers will shapeshift into what is described as a crane's bill. The leaves on this lucky bugger are edible raw, said to have the taste akin to coriander. It's best picking whilst this herb is in the flowering process, although eating large quantities of Stinky Bob over prolonged periods of time can have negative effects due to its astringency. So it's best, like anything, to moderate intake. Both the flowers and leaves can be infused into hot water. Once boiled to oblivion, will produce a herbal tea. The leaves, stems, flowers can be made into a medicine, as aforementioned, known to be astringent. It can also be used for diarrhea and function of the liver, gallbladder. It reduces the swelling of the kidneys, bladder and gallbladder, which can also prevent the formation of stones in the kidneys, bladder and gallbladder. Stinky Bob has alleviated flus, headaches, helped with diabetes, sinus problems, arthritis, sciatica, which is nerve pain in the lower back and legs. Stinky Bob can also assist those with high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and even cancer. Good old Stinky Bob's part plant, part mouthwash, apparently, as well, because chewing the fresh leaves can aid in sore throat and mouth. Shoving this unsuspecting victim into mosquito bites or herpes has long been a common pastime for this specimen. Stinky Bob has been known to have a blood clotting effect, is also an oxygen enhancer, and reduces stress and anxiety, whatever the fuck that means. But for this poor plant that has nothing to do with yet gets the rear end of your body, oxygen intake and mental stability. It also is said to have antibacterial properties, assist during menopause, boost the body's immune system. The active compounds identified in Geranium Robertianum are tannins, flavonoids, phenolic acids, essential oils, and vitamins A and C. As with most wild flora, there isn't much scientific evidence backing medicinal claims, although isn't discredited as it is shown to have promise in real-world situations. Yet, alas, this doesn't mean you're a wizard, Harry, and you should consult a health professional and not random strangers on the internet. It also wouldn't hurt to do your own research.